Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Gambio for beginners in 2024. So Gambio, first of all, is a powerful e-commerce platform that makes it easy to create and manage your online store. So in this tutorial, we will cover the basics to help you get your store up and running very quickly. So make sure to follow this step-by-step guide. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. And here, of course, you'll need to type Gambio. As simple as that and hit the enter button. Once you do so, click on the first link. Make sure it's not sponsored or something like that so it does not take you to another website. And yeah, you'll find yourself in their home screen or main screen. First of all, if you don't know nothing about this website, you can simply scroll down to read more information about it. And of course, you can simply just from here see the pricing and the plans that they have. So they have 3 plans: startup, small business, and professional. All of them provide some features. So depending on the features that you want, you'll basically just be able to start with it. So if you want to pay monthly, you'll pay this amount. And if you pay annually, you will get a 10% discount. So yeah, all you need to do now is simply just go and click on start for free. And as you can see, create the shop of your dreams and test Gambio entirely free of any risk. All features immediately available, 14 days for free, 0% risk, no subscription, and continue with your test shop once you decide to use Gambio. So you can simply create your test shop right away, start your own online business now. Starting by the shop name. For me, as an example, name is Omix. Email, I'll have to enter an email here that I'll be using as an example, so at gmail.com. And this telephone number as example, I don't know what's that as example. So I'll just choose maybe as example, like, so what do they have other than Deutschland, which is Germany. So maybe I'll just choose here that does they have like France or something like that, or United Kingdom maybe, or something like that. Let me just go here and check. What about Italian as example, or Greek? So it's gonna be still the same. So I need like a country that uses English. It's gonna be good. Or Belgium. Belgium uses French, right? So just let us Belgium, I guess, at the moment. So what's that example? I don't know. So I'll just go and type it in Google. So what is tele for what? So numer, I guess, something like that. And here and hit the enter button. So yeah, it's simply the phenomenon of phone number. Yeah, I don't know why they're even typing it like that way, but it's fine. I'll just go and type like example something like that, and I hope they didn't ask me as they will not ask me for confirming this number because it's random. So you can see this should contain 5 characters. So I'll just go and add that and go with it as an example. So once I do that, I'll have just to wait for this until it's done. And of course, I'll be able to try it out. So as you can see, it's almost done right now. And as you can see, this like Germany and maybe, so wait, what country is Gambia as an example? So Gambia based in, simple as that. So yeah, in Switzerland. So maybe that's why they're using that. So example, can I change the language first of all? So if I scroll down here to the bottom, normally you'll be able to change the language here from the bottom. And I don't know what does that mean exactly. And I don't know why that is in this language, but I'll just go and click on this yellow option. And I guess this should start creating my account right away. I don't know why is that in German. But let's just, I guess, verbieten dish something. I don't know how to read it, so I'll not like murder the language. So yeah, it seems like shop is starting as an example, and I don't know what's that. I don't know even if I want to click it. Okay, I'll just click it here. So okay, is the password test or something like that, or admin or something like that? I don't know. So just wait for this internet load. I don't know why it's taking some time. So for the store, I understand why it's taking some time. So as example, it seems here like you have access to the front end, first of all, of your account. And I guess this is the administration where you have access to the back end of your account, and you'll be able to test everything out during this 14 days free trial. So example here, you can simply just go and access your account. Here's an example what if we click on that as an example. So yeah, it seems like they give us a template for a shoe store. And of course, you'll be able to change however you want. You'll be able to remove those products, change the, as example, design it, change the background, as example, add new products. So it has even shirts in here. So there is a lot of things as example to edit. It's better, it seems, to understand like Deutsch or Dutch language or Germany or German language, because it seems like it's required here. So yeah, I don't know if this should work also. And yeah, I guess like of course you'll need just to go here, and I guess what if we entered like our informations that we logged in with. What about that, if it's gonna work or not? Let me just go here and check and click on login. So, okay, it's false, it seems, or something like that. So, because it's in Dutch, I don't want to even type on forget password because it will get me into something that I will not know how to read. But for you, as you can see, this is the front end. You'll be able to see how it looks like, and you'll be able to change whatever you want. You'll be able, I guess, to log in into an account. If you don't have an account, I guess you'll be able from here to create an account, it seems. And yeah, here you'll be able to see your cards and etc. So I don't know. Oh, that will change English. That's actually amazing. But it will change it, I guess, just for it will change it just for the what is it, what is it called, like the websites, not for everything it seems. But at least it's better to understand just a little bit. Yeah, so from here you'll be able to create a new account, for example, to have access, example, if you want to be subscribed to their like websites, so to be like a customer or regular customer, maybe they can give it gets a discount or some codes for its example. So there is a lot of things to check by your own and design by your own. I cannot get into that, of course, because it's own design. It depends from one into another. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.